Hello everyone, and welcome to Greenwood Manners. I'm your host Craig. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at a group of words in English that look like nouns, but are actually adverbs. We all know that when we talk about going to a place, usually we should add the preposition to before the place. However, there are many words in English that do not allow this. For example, I'm going home. I'm going outside. I'm going downtown. I'm going overseas. Likewise, when we talk about being in or at a place, we do not need to use these prepositions before these particular words. So we say, I'm home, or sometimes we can also say, I'm at home. We then say, I'm outside. I'm downtown. I'm overseas. This is because these words are not being used as nouns. In fact, they are adverbs, so they include the meaning of to or at. This is also why we often do not say to or at with the word where. Where is he? Sometimes in some English dialects you can say where is he at, but this is not standard English. We also say where is he going? And sometimes you will hear people say, where is he going to? But this is only used in some colloquial registers. That means that only some people will say this when speaking English, but usually we do not write this. So we have sentences like, he is somewhere in the city. It's not anywhere in my room. This train is going nowhere. He lived elsewhere at the time. Wherever it is, I can't find it. This is also true of the words here and there. In English, these are never nouns, and therefore cannot appear as the subject or object of a verb. We can never say to there, to here, or at here. Sometimes we can say here is or there is. However, this is only when we are showing something to a person or giving something to a person. So we say here is Australia when we are perhaps pointing on a map and showing somebody where Australia is in relation to other countries. However, if we say this is Australia, that means the place where we are now is Australia. And if we say there is New Zealand, again, this is something that we would say if you were pointing on a map to show New Zealand in relation to other countries. But if you say that is New Zealand, you're saying that New Zealand is a different place where we are not right now. If you say here is my room, it means you are simply showing your room to somebody else. But if you say this is my room, it means this is where I am right now. If you say there's your change, that means I'm giving it to you. But if you say this is your change, it means you are identifying what this thing is. We can sometimes say in here or in there because this has a special, specific meaning of being inside a place. So we say, come in here. It's so cold in here. I'm not going in there. We can also use some other prepositions with these words, such as from. I just came in from outside. He's from overseas. The car left from there. Where do you come from? How far is it from here? So, we just need to remember that when using verbs like come, go, return, send, etc., we don't say to before these words. Here is a list of the common English words that look like nouns, but behave like adverbs. Here, there, where, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, wherever, elsewhere. Inside, outside, indoors, outdoors, upstairs, downstairs, abroad, overseas, downtown, uptown, home, topside, upstream, downstream, underground. North, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Thank you, everyone, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a message. See you next time.